This is the brand new Atari handheld Gamestation Go. It's like a revived version of a retro vibe. You know what I mean? It's somehow like it feels retro, but it also feels new and cool.
So some of the key features of the Atari Gamestation Go is that it includes the paddle similar to our Atari Gamestation Pro from last year, but now in addition to that, we're including a trackball and a number pad, as well as shoulder buttons, which are all new features as part of the portable handheld. Additionally, it has a 7-inch screen, and then of course stereo sound. It has HDMI out for connecting it to your TV, as well as pairing up to 2 additional controllers, so you can play those wirelessly, almost kind of like a Nintendo Switch, but with your favorite Atari games. It has a micro SD port that you can use for firmware updates. Wink, wink. Additionally, it has a feature that we developed called Smart Glow. Only the controls that you need for a particular game will light up, which is really helpful for different games over the years that need different buttons.
So I gotta ask the question I think a lot of people were wondering. Is this thing an emulator, or will there be brand new game offerings? What can we expect?
It's a combination of technology that we use to run the games, because it includes Atari 2600, 5200, 78, Arcade, M Network, and now it's going to include the Atari Recharge collection, the Centipede Recharge game, Atari's Balls of Steel pinball game. So there's a number of different consoles that we had to incorporate with these that have their own requirements.
That sounds like a great excuse to fire this thing up. Can we turn it on?
Let's do it. That's why we're here, right? This is our all new intro screen. Super exciting.
It's definitely not 8-bit, I'll tell you that.
I mean, there are some 8-bit games, but it does a lot of things. You can see the general UI, which is all new. So this is the Atari library, and then it's divided by console. So these are the stat picks. So really the games that we thought people would have a great experience playing on the device. And then as well, it's divided by consoles.
How about price point? Do we have a price point for this thing yet?
Yeah, so the price point for this is going to be $149.99, and that's our MSRP.
And how about release date? That's the other big question.
Yeah, so the date that we're saying is Q3. That's kind of the public date that we're sharing. But we know people are really excited about it, and we hear you.